everyone, welcome to Simplified by Singham. Welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. Today's exercise is super exciting because we are going to print the first n even numbers. If you have just started coding, this is a perfect way to understand loops and how Python can generate sequences of numbers automatically. And here is what our flowchart tells us. So first we ask the user to enter a number and let's call it n. And this number tells us how many even numbers we want. And we start counter at I equal to 2. And because 2 is the first even number. And then we enter a loop and we print I and we increase the I by 2. So we always get the next even number. It's like saying keep adding two numbers and printing the number until we have reached the count of the numbers that user wants. It's like, for example, user gave value 6, so it will give you the values for the first 6 even numbers. That means it will add 2 6 times and it will give you the first 6 even numbers. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. Simple, right? Now let's write the Python code to make it happen. Always get user input. Let's call it n. And we need this integer this time. Input, enter the value of n. Okay. And you will print let's use f strings. First n even numbers. Okay. So we'll create a variable called I and we'll give the initial value 2. And we'll also create one more variable called count and we also give it 0. And while count less than n, you print I. Then you increment I plus equal to 2. That means same as I equal to I plus 2. And then also you will increment count by 1 every time. Same as count equal to count plus 1. Let's break this down. So what's happening here? Here we are taking the user value n as input. So user will give you how many even numbers he or she want. And we are printing the first n even numbers. Like you gave me to get 6 even numbers. So this is what this print statement is for. And then we created two variables. One is I because 2 is the first even number. We gave the value 2. And we gave the count value 0 because this will keep track of how many numbers we have printed so far. And while count less than n, this loop keeps running until we have printed n numbers. Like for example, the n value is maybe 4. Okay. And you will tell to the user that first 4 even numbers are something like that. And then you gave I value 2, count value 0, and now initially count value is 0 and n value is 4. Is 0 less than 4 true? Then it will come here, it will print 2 as output. Okay, and now the I value becomes, initially it was 2 and now the I value becomes 4 because I equal to I plus 2, which is nothing but 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. And now the count value changes to 1. Initially it's 0 and now it became 1. Now again the program jumps here. Is 1 less than 4? Yes. Now again you will print I, which is nothing but 4 this time. So this will be 4. And now again I value increments by 2 and this time the I value will be 6 and count value incremented by 1 and now the count value becomes 2. And now again the program jumps here, count value is 2. Is 2 less than 4? true. So it will print the I value, which is nothing but 6. And again, the I value increments by 2, and this time it becomes 8. And count value also will be incremented by 1, and this time it will be 3. And again, now the program gems here is count less than n. 3 less than 4, true. And now again, it will print I value. Now it will print the I value, and the I value is 8. So it will print 8. And again, now I value will be plus equal to 2. So this time the I value will be 10. And the count plus equal to 1. And this time the count value becomes 4. And is 4 less than 4? Listen to me. 4 less than 4? False. So it will come out of the loop and you will see these outputs 2, 4, 6, 8. So it is printing the first 4 even numbers. Let's try. Maybe 4. So the first 4 even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. But instead of getting in, each output in one line, I want all of them something like this. Something like 2, 4, 6, 8. And I want the output something like this. So how can I get that? So for that, all you have to do is give end here. So it will just print everything in the same line. So it actually prints the current even number on the same line. That means the entire output will be in the same line. The first 4 even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. You can also give comma here. You can give any digit that you want to end. Something like this. I feel this is easier, so that's why I gave this. So it is giving the first 6 even numbers. So this print, so it actually prints the current even number on the same line. And this will jump to the next even number, and this increments for every loop. And yeah, that's it. A perfect combination of loops and arithmetic to generate numbers automatically. Awesome, guys. You just learned how to use a while loop to generate sequences in Python. Loops like this save you from writing repetitive code and makes your program much smarter. And here is a challenge for you. Try modifying this program to print first n odd numbers instead. And also comment below if you can do it. And hey, if you're loving these step-by-step exercises, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future Python lessons. Remember, every line of code you write makes you a stronger and more confident programmer. Keep coding, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next video.